Hi everyone, I'm Beck.
And I'm Becca.
And today we're going to be looking at some vans and different motorhomes.
And we're going to figure out which style and size is best for us. Being on the road is the best next step for us.
Our first stop is going to be a local RV dealership, so come with us as we take a look.
Little crabs walking over our legs.
I'm just really excited to go look at different RVs because we've been talking about it for a while, and we get to actually go see it for the first time, you know?
Because I took the liberties of making a checklist for a specific RV that we're going to be taking a look at today, which will be for our second road trip after our first 20-minute war.
Last summer, you were holding my hand. Last summer, you were laying in
Sweetheart, we're here. And we're looking for some like those babies.
Oh my gosh.
Not a pull behind, but those. I'm excited.
I'm so excited to go.
All right, let's go. Jayco Mercedes-Benz.
Total length is about 28 feet.
28?
Oh.
All right. Okay. Looks like a Murphy bed.
Yep.
Awesome.
Slide out there too.
Oh, cool. Space up here. And then is this one of those like slide up TVs?
Yep, that's elevator.
Very cool.
This is a Class C.
Class C.
Class C. Okay. 17 model year.
Here's a bathroom. Test the shower space. Test the daily motions. Oh, this is cool. Have you had your look?
Yeah.
All right, cool. On to Winnebago. All right, this would be Class B size.
Ooh, okay.
Definitely on the smaller side compared to the last one.
Compared to the last one, yes. But I also don't think it's not
This
too
could
bad.
this could be a workspace too,
Yeah.
right here. I'm gonna get in the front seat just to see.
Bathroom, shower combo.
It's about the same up here. Stovetop. I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna try and open it.
Okay.
Yeah, here. Can I get in there?
Yeah, you want to see it?
Yeah,
Okay, you
just-
got it.
All right.
Is this also a bed up here?
little smaller. I'm just going through the daily motions. Oh, that's cute. Some storage under here. Not bad. Plates will slide in there.
And then what's the size of this van?
All right. It's a little smaller than I'd like. I like that one so far. The Class C.
I'm fine with this. Would probably be maybe the smallest size that we want to go.
Yeah. My only
I'm
issue.
fine with this size.
My only issue is when.
Your head?
Well, yeah, like when I had to get past you.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to do that every day. Like if this door's open to get to the shower, and then I was kind of hitting my head a little bit on that rack, but that's okay.
Okay.
That's where I'm at with a Class B.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Ooh,
Oh, that's very nice.
that's fancy. Oh, I really like this one.
I like it a lot too. This is a really good layout so far. Ooh, that is a nice shot. The cooking space is pretty cute. Oh, it's like a full Tommy. It's like straight up Tommy Bahama themed.
Yeah, I love it.
That's-
a Murphy bed too.
Nice. Did someone previously own it and make it Tommy Bahama themed, or did you guys take the liberties to do that?
No, this just comes from Airstream that
Oh,
way.
oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow,
Look at these covers too.
that's really cool. Nice.
I like the glasses, yes. Nice fridge size.
Yep.
And then
that's
how big is this one? I think 28 feet is probably the one more.
decent. This is a good size. Nice medicine cabinet. So far from what we've looked at, the Class C's look like a good fit.
Yep.
I do think the Class B is a little small for what we're looking for.
We can make it work, but we're thinking 28 feet would be the best one for us.
So far.
The smaller one, it does work. The only bad thing is you just have to get used to maybe being in each other's way.
The minimum price here is, what, $75,000? So we're definitely going to try and do this on a budget.
Yeah, definitely. It was a very good eye-opening experience because we've never actually went to check out RVs before. It's always been online, so it was very cool to really get a feel for what it would actually be like and feel like.
We are going to look at a 32-foot Class A vintage RV today, so we're kind of getting a feel for that.
We're about to go down the road because we saw another dealership, so we're going to
Yes.
go check that out before we head to that vintage RV later on today.
Yep.
Taking a day trip to look at vans is the smartest thing that you can do. I am so glad that Beck and I are looking at vans right now. We are learning so much in a 10-minute walkthrough that we couldn't have learned by looking at pictures and videos. No matter how much research you do online, it doesn't compare to the 10-minute walkthrough of you sitting down in the driver's seat, opening up cabinets, testing the layout, and asking yourself, could I live here? So do yourself a favor. Even if you're looking at RVs that are way out of your price range, look at them. You'll get a feel of it either way.
So after looking at all of these new campers, $75 to $250,000 a piece, we are going to head up a couple hours north to look at a 1990 Fleetwood Class A RV. So we'll see how different the worlds are of the new RV versus the old RV. I'm excited because an older RV is more in the budget of what we're looking for. Like, we're not gonna spend $250,000 anytime soon on an RV. Go left. Not a bad first impression, but once we started looking at it, it was a little sketchy, so we decided not to record. So what did you think of the 1990?
I think it was cute.
I think it would need a lot more work than we were initially expecting.
My 2 deal breakers were the size, and it needs to be at least front wheel drive, and it's not. So I say no.
I think that was too big.
Yeah, that was.
You're getting in it. 32 feet is too big.
I'm gonna have to politely decline.
Right.
That one I feel like we can find a better one.
You can definitely see the difference between $4,000 and $75,000.
Yeah.
Glad we looked, and I don't regret it.
Neither. We figured out what size we want and the type that now we can budget and be more realistic on the amount of money that we're gonna need for what we want to do.
Stay tuned for the next update, whether we find a van or we keep looking or maybe share some good tips on how to look, while we're starting off. But that's about it for now.
And we'll see you next time.